Previously on the House of Stark.
It's a good thing we're all Man, I got like the biggest close-up of your face. You don't even know.
Street Rod Limos, the world famous corner of Hollywood and Vine. You can't miss it. Even Stevie Wonder can see where I'm at.
Just basically explain what's going on. And yeah, so we're about to go get the full Hollywood treatment. How's it going, YouTube? So check it out. Today is a big day. This is going to be my first away game for the Jacksonville Jaguars. I could not be more excited. So today we're going to be playing San Francisco, and I'm at the airport right now. I'm going to catch my flight, and then we're going to what's the stadium? Levi Stadium? I think that's what it is. I don't know. I'm going to find my flight. It's about 6:30 right now. My flight's at 6:40. But yeah, today's a big day. This is the big one. One thing I gotta say that I've always liked about these airports is that they've always been very ornate. There hasn't been anything that hasn't been decorative or appealing in one way or another. They do a very good job here. And look at that sunrise. Beautiful.
There's a menu in your seat back pocket. Here is view for selections and prices. This aircraft.
Alright, first flight down. I probably slept better in that chair than I did at the Squabe in the barracks. So we're on the hunt for other Jaguar fans. They're around here. Look at that, what are we gonna do, ball? Do ball! What are we gonna do, ball? Good ball! Christmas from San Francisco! Thank you, brother. Yo, Jaguar fans, when we get a do-ball. Do-ball! Hey, Mama, can I get a let's go Jaguars? Yeah, man. Let's go Jaguars! Yeah! Let's go Jaguars! They don't know what time it is, baby. We out here. We out here, baby. I'll see you in the playoffs. I'll see you in the playoffs. How's it feel to be a champion?
This train is departing for Oakland International Airport.
Man, finally made it to Oakland Airport. I'll tell you what, that train ride was a little odd. I understand it's Christmas Eve and everything is very quiet, but that almost felt like eerie. It felt like I was in like a Half-Life game. If you've ever played the games with the Mesa operations, like I forget what the hell it's called, but it felt like you were going through like the tunnels. How's it going, YouTube? Good morning. So, somebody is a hot mess this morning. And for the first time, it's not me. It's actually this one right here, the sister Monica Aubrey Stark. So somebody didn't want to wake up this morning for her fitness expo that she was so excited to go to.
We're going to the LA Fitness Expo.
I'm thrilled. So the sister hasn't seen the gimbal yet. She's probably going to be all about that later today. I really don't know what to expect. This is kind of like Monica's scene, but this is a brother-sister thing, so yeah, we're going to go check it out. I'm kind of worried that this is going to be like a bunch of like self-absorbent people that are like, oh man, I've got like the latest fitness and diet workout. It's like so revolutionary, man. Like this thing right here, this thing that I got, this is the thing. This is the thing. And you don't have this thing, but you're gonna need this thing in your life. If you don't have this thing in your life, then you don't have the thing. So this is Monica's phone. Let's see, what do we have? JTR from Joel Rogers. Monica Stark Instagram, hashtag.
I have a lot of notifications.
Yeah, earlier today. We're here at LA's very own self-licking popsicle convention of the world. And I'm out here with the sister. Monica, say hello.
What's up?
She's apparently a vlogger, but she don't vlog a whole bunch. Now we're going to be talking over each other, but I'm definitely going to win this. Anyway, we're about to go into the convention center, and Monica's going to get all these like goodie bags and stuff like that.
You guys know where you're going?
It's like vlogception. It's a vlog within a vlog. Okay, anyway, we're going to go check this out. I'm personally not like that much about it. Like I'm into fitness, okay? I'm into fitness, but I'm not about the self-licking popsicle convention where everybody's like, oh, well, look at what I got. Ooh. It's like it's incredibly chauvinistic coming from the guy doing a vlog, right? So just to let you know, my sister's vlogs are like right here, and then my vlogs are like right here. It's called editing, Monica Stark. Monica, do you even edit? Do you even edit, sister? Oh.
Actually, yes. I have one YouTube video in which I edited.
Oh man, we're all very impressed. Oh my god. Monica on the vlog. I don't know how to vlog whatsoever.
I do too.
A vlog inside a vlog, the vlogception. What are we checking out?
Information thing. See, this is like all the things that you can like go to.
Alright, we got it. So right now, this is pretty much everything that I kind of thought it was going to be. There's a lot of it's just a bunch of girls in booty shorts, fake boobs. Every third dude has a tank top. I guess I'll stop being a troll. I mean, if people are into fitness, so let them be into fitness. I guess by the end of the vlog, I'll probably get into it a little bit more. Apparently, that's my sister's friend or something. Hey, what's up?
Hey, Jennings? Hey, Fletcher. I'm Mike's brother. Nice to meet you.
Good lord, that was so cool. Monica's friend Jennings. I'll leave his Instagram and his YouTube stuff here in the vlogs. He kept on calling me Spencer. I understand I might look like a Spencer, but goddamn, my name is Fletch. That looks okay. How's it going, YouTube? My name is Bunch of Stark, and welcome to the House of Stark. I find myself out here in Oceanside, California, and I'm out here with the guys. We're doing like an old cookout. Let me get a picture of the guys behind me. All right, so this is the crew. Everybody say hello. Wave for the views, damn it. Wave for the views. Look at that product placement right there. That is outstanding. So I don't know how this weekend is going to turn out for the Jaguars. Of course, everybody watching this video is going to know where the Jaguars landed in the playoffs, but Jaguars are playing the Steelers this upcoming weekend. And the other dude that's with me, right across, that sleeps right across to the squad mate from me, is a goddamn...
Go Steelers! 6-time world champions.
All right. Duval. But California is beautiful. I'm gonna go walk down the beach real quick, and I'm gonna show you what Oceanside, California looks like. The Oceanside has, I mean, it's just beautiful out there. Hey girls, hey, how you doing? Hey, wave for the YouTube views. Wave, thank you. So, Oceanside out here is absolutely beautiful. We got a kids park. I don't have the gimbal with me right now. But man, California is everything it is cracked up to be. So right here, that is the Oceanside Pier. Not too much to report on that one. I mean, I'll probably go down there, check it out one of these days. I'll make a YouTube video with it. But that's the pier. There's some people that were making a music video over there earlier today. We were trolling them pretty hard. Everybody gets behind the cameras, and all we're going to do, we put it on like this, and just kind of do the left right. Okay, all right, I'm good. This is everything behind us, and to think, this is right outside of a military base. Like, I was in Beaufort, South Carolina for a very, very long time. Beaufort's okay, but it's slow. For YouTube, wait for the YouTube views. Thank you, girls. Wave. Look at all these friendly Californians. How do you know who is who? What is this, black shorts versus black shorts? Wave for YouTube. Wave for the view. Hey guys, wave for the YouTube views. Yes, thank you. Alright, so party for me kind of ended a bit early. What happened was one of our guys broke out in hives, a guy named Seal. Broke out in hives after he got done swimming in the water, and now me and Guy Jones get in here. Top Gun over here. I'm not used to that. But we had to come out here to the hospital, taking care of our guy. Not much we could really do. I'm not going to be recording much anything else after this unless I get back to the beach, which I probably will, but I gotta make sure my guy's okay first. Man, you can't even see me. But that's what we're doing, so party's over for me right now. I'll catch you on the flip side.
I got in the cold water and I passed out.
But they think the water was a little cold and he had a weird reaction to it. And but he's doing okay. We've been running back and forth. This guy can't be released from the hospital until he pees in the cup, okay? So we were asking him, you know, hey, do you need some more water? And then he chimes in, oh yeah, I got a gallon jug in my bag, and now we're gonna open this up. And there's a giant freaking water jug after we had been going back and forth to fill up this tiny freaking cup.
Where's your eggs?
Cuts through dehydration. Okay, there you go.
Water.